In this video, I'm going to show you how to do some basic equations. When we're doing equations, we know we're going to have an equal sign. That's why it's called equations. We're going to have a variable, which is a letter, and we have to solve for that letter. In other words, we have to figure out what that letter stands for in numbers. So here's an example. If I have 2 plus some number that I'll call m, and I know that it's going to equal 5. Well, without doing algebra, you can know that that answer's 3. But let's pretend we don't know. All right, I want to know what that m is. Before I can tell what the m is, I have to get rid of that 2. To get rid of a positive number, you have to subtract it. This is already positive. We just don't write it like that. So to get rid of a positive, I have to say -2. If I say -2 on this side of the equation, I have to say -2 on that side as well. 2 take away 2 is 0. What do I have left? A positive m. So I will say m equals 5 take away 2, 3. Now, to find out if I'm right, I'm going to substitute that 3 back into the equation, like this. Instead of saying 2 plus m, I'm going to say 2 plus, what does m equal? 3. Equals 5. Now, how much is 2 plus 3? Oh, it's 5. There you go. Does 5 equal 5? Yes, and so I know my answer is correct. All right, let's do one where we have a decimal. All right, let's say we have a number like this. 1.6, 1 6/10, plus some number we'll call y. We know it's going to equal 8 9/10. All right, well, I want to know what y is. I don't care about 1.6 plus y. I want to know what y is going to equal. In order to solve this problem, I have to get rid of the positive 1.6. To do that, I go -1.6. Because I've done it on the left side of the equation, I have to do it on the right side of the equation as well. -1.6. That goes away. We have a 0. The positive number we just write as y. Y equals, now we're going to subtract these numbers. 9 take away 6 is 3. Bring down the decimal. 8 take away 1 is 7. So our answer is 7 3/10. Let's see if we're right. 1.6 plus, I'm going to substitute 7.3 for y, equals 8.9. Let's see if it does. 6 plus 3 is 9. I'll put down my decimal. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 8 equals 8.9. So I know the answer is correct.